Welcome to Briarcliffe Estates subdivision in Elgin, South Carolina, 29045. As you can see, this house sits on a beautiful lot. It is 3.9 acres. The house itself has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,100 square feet. This is a nice home. And as you can see, it has a nice front porch, which allows you to be able to sit out there in the evening, looking across the street at the greenway and enjoy. What a great, it is actually wide stairs, as you can see, giving you plenty of room. Let's look inside. This is a nice step down living room. It gives you plenty of space. The windows in here have been redone, been replaced, so it's upgraded windows, adding great visibility and sunlight to this home. Plenty of outlets for you in every area. As you can see, it's nicely finished and done. See the step down there? Has the columns, and it has the wood cathedral accent ceiling, which adds a lot of character. One of the great things about the Briarcliffe Estates area is that you will find that homes in this area are all built a little bit differently, adding a lot of distinction. The kitchen has a great granite tabletop. It is a very large kitchen. 4 people can work in this kitchen at one time. That's how beautiful and big. Look at the mocha finish cabinets with the white tile finish. Stainless steel oven, stove, and there is the laundry room, which is just typical of a laundry room. And it's just a great place to just put your laundry in, close the doors up, hide it, and continue on with your day. But this is the laundry room. It will fit a large washer and dryer in this room. This is actually a pantry closet that you can use. And now look at this space. Look at that light. And that light can be used in this room area here. It's actually an extension, which is really nice. You can use this room for a kid's room, a great place just to make a reading room. Has the ceiling fan, the French doors are on to your right side. But let's take a look at room number 1. You can turn this into a theater room, make it a personal bedroom. It is a large room with a closet, plenty of sunlight in this room. It does have a shower, toilet, and a single sink in here, which is quite nice. So if you needed an in-law suite, something out of a guest room, it's right off the kitchen door and right off the kitchen. So it makes it available and very accessible. So this is a great size room. And again, a ceiling fan. Let's take a walk down the hall and see what else that this house has to offer, which is nice. Look at the uniformity all the way through. And this is the master bedroom here. The master bedroom has 2 closets. Again, windows in here has been replaced. Again, adding plenty of light. You can plug in your television there, planted on the wall. It's just a nice size bedroom. You can put a king size bed can fit in here, which is really nice. It has a single sink, which you convert into a double sink if you wish. But this has a jetted bathtub. Oh, for relaxing nights, those days at work. Great mirror. Yes, a cabinet. It does have its cabinet. Let's take a walk. A ceiling fan. You can add more light bulbs. And this bathroom, which is a shared bathroom, as you can see, it has a single sink, which you can again replace and add a double sink if you wish. But it has a spa shower. This shower has 5 different heads on it, so you can have a different feel in the shower at any time. That is a beautiful and a lovely thing. Now here is room number 3. And room number 3, again, the windows have been replaced, and these windows are solid. They're nice. They add to the room itself. Great little room or an office, whichever one you choose to make it. Has plenty of spacing in this room. Floors are nice. Right outside this is a linen closet right next to the bathroom. So it's a Nice wood. As you can see, the wood texture of this home is really nice. That's what makes this house unique with all by itself. It's just the wood, the dark wood finishing. And this is room number 4. Again, you have a choice. It will fit. Full-size bed, medium-sized furniture will fit in here. Plenty of space in the closet. The windows, again, have been replaced and updated, which saves you a lot of money. And again, that is one thing that you will enjoy. Let's walk back down the hall. As we go back down the hall, we're going to pass this lovely kitchen, the dining room area, dining area. Let's go out the French doors. A nice backyard with the privacy trees are all the way around this backyard, giving you privacy at all angles, which is nice. Look at this deck. Nice deck. Can be restained, updated to the stain color of what you like. As you can see, the pool is new. You can look on the side of the wood, and this is nice. The pool is actually less than a year old. And if you look around it, it is very clear. It's been kept clean. The air conditioning unit is very strong. It is fresh. It is less than 10 years old, so it's just stable. Again, in the backyard, plenty of spacing, plenty of room in the backyard, a different angle for you to see. Look how nice this really looks. This is a really nice pool. Again, the privacy hedges gives accents to this backyard, giving you plenty of space to just go outside, stretch, do some yoga, take a quick dip in your pool. It does have a shed outside, a tool room you can make it into. And here's the front porch. One of the great things about the front porch, again, right across the street, is the greenway. This is one of the things that you will find. This is a quiet neighborhood. People will walk by. This is a pet-friendly neighborhood. So when people lose their dogs, they always call on one another. They talk with one another, speak with one another. People walk by, say hello. They ride their bikes. Children drive by on their little bicycles. And everyone speaks in this neighborhood. This is a very friendly neighborhood. Again, on the side of the house, you can see plenty of privacy. This is, again, 2,100 square feet. Greenway in the front. And this is 212 Briarcliffe East. For any information that you need, for additional information, look down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.